Okay, now we're on to example 2. We're looking at a triangle, x, y, z, and they're going to give me two angles this time. They're giving me this angle, they're giving me this angle, and they're going to give me a side z equals 6. And what they want me to do this time is solve the triangle. So that's a bigger question. This question is asking me to find all three angles and all three side lengths, not just one of them. So let's go ahead and let's draw one of these triangles. We're going to call it x, y, z. I could put x, y, and z anywhere that I want on the triangle. It makes sense to do this probably. This will be little z. So that's going to be 6 centimeters. This is angle x. So that's going to be 46 degrees. This is angle z. So that's 62 degrees. Now, look, that doesn't look 62 if that's 46, but it's okay. It doesn't have to look exact. I'm using the numbers and I'm going to be all right. Now it wants me to solve the triangle. So that means I'm going to have to find this angle, I'm going to have to find this side, and I'm going to have to find this side. Now the first thing that jumps out at me is finding angle y. Angle y is right there, and I'm thinking that's the easiest thing to solve for right now. So what I can do is I can say for angle y is going to equal 180 minus 62 minus 46. And that's going to be 72 degrees. So you're well on your way. You've got your first piece of information. You know that this is going to be 72 degrees. All right. Now we need to get some sides. And because I have so much information, I'm going to be using my sine law. So I want to get this side, little y. So little y over 72, so that's what I'm starting with. So 4 side y, little y over sine of 72 is going to equal any of the other ratios. Now I don't know what x is, so I shouldn't use that ratio, but I can use this ratio. See that? So y over 72 will equal 6 over sine of 62. As we've talked, there's cross-multiplying going on, but as we've also discussed in the last couple of weeks, is that we can shorten that up. Using your calculator, that's going to work out to 72 sine times 6 divided by 62 sine equals, and you get y equals approximately 6.5 centimeters. Okay. So how are we doing? We're doing just fine. What we want to do now is get this side, side x. Some kids are going to jump in and say use Pythagorean theorem. Well, they're going to be wrong because this is not a right angle triangle. So I think I can use the sine law again. I see a pattern here. Okay, and I can use any other pattern that I want. Now I used the 6 and the 62 last time. There's no problem in doing it again. For side x, I'm going to do x over sine of 46 equals 6 over sine of 62, or I could have done 6.5 over sine of 72. It won't matter.
Obi, please contact the main office, please. Obi.
So 6 over sine of 62, cross multiply using the shortcut, not showing that step. Some of you will want to, some of you won't. Using your calculator, 46 sine times 6 divided by 62 sine equals, I get approximately 4.9 centimeters. Do I have all three side lengths? Yep. Do I have all three angles? Yep. So this triangle is solved. We are done. This question's probably worth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus a diagram, 6 marks on a test, and you all should be able to do it. Okay, that's it for me for example 2. What I'd like you to do, though, is I've got some homework for you. I'd like you to go to page 31, and I'd like you to become experts at the questions 1, 2, and 3. So again, that's page 31, in your textbook, numbers 1, 2, and 3. We'll see you soon. And we'll see you in class tomorrow.